Today we are exploring River West for the deal of the week. We are in a brand new building right on the cusp of 9094, right in the intersection where River North, Wicker Park, and Westerly meet, in the heart of River West. This brand new building has amazing promotions going on right now. Typically, to be in a brand new building for a 2-bedroom, it's going to run you $3,500 a month and up. Right now, this 2-bed, 2-bath corner unit with double vanity in the primary bedroom and these extra tall ceilings is running at $2,636 a month after the promotions. Take a look around.